Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy, Gurdy Travel Podcast in Lisbon, Portugal. You can see a sign here, Lisboa, as people are taking photos lining up for the iconic sign. See a waterfront area, many water taxis to get to different spots. In the background, see a Christ the Redeemer and a really cool bridge. Looks like the Golden Gate Bridge in the back. See it with the extendable view. And lots of cool architecture. A bit windy today, but good weather, maybe about 65 degrees. See a man on a horse in the center with art on both sides. In the back, an archway with pillars and a yellow structure. Lots of carts throughout and buses as well. Street area, a market a bit further down, and many places over here. Lisbon Story Center, the sexiest WC toilet on earth by Renova, and Terra Nova Restaurant. Happy hour specials advertised, and more cool architecture, including men at the top with various weapons. Looks like a glaive at the top, and wine, beer, cocktails, and much more. Getting closer to the statue in the center, see some art below it. There's an elephant and various angels next to it. See the horse and the man on it as we get closer. Looks to be a statue from 1833. So quite an old statue that's probably been restored over the years. See an angel next to the horse on this side. And another one over here with the elephant trunk sticking out. So it looks like a trolley going through. See the power lines throughout. We get closer to the archway. Cannot read the inscriptions at the top, but if you can, listener, feel free. Getting closer to the shopping area. Lots of other tourists, cruisers throughout, pretty busy. Here's the electric trolley. We get closer and see that. Over to the right is a beer museum, Museu da Cerveja, if I got that right. Various clubs and restaurants on this side. See what looks to be a cathedral in the back, and you get to see more of the architecture up close. So I'll be headed to the marketplace area. Stay tuned for that in a future video. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.